This is the first of 9 modules in Chapter 6 on implementation and operation. The 9 modules cover competence, training and awareness, this module, then communication, document control, operational control, design, an introduction to capital intensive energy saving projects, the finance and economics of energy saving projects, lean energy procurement, and finally project management and control. Competence, training and awareness is an extremely important part of the implementation, addressing the most important element in any energy management system: people. Anyone operating or influencing a significant energy use needs to be competent in energy management. They need the necessary education, on-the-job training, experience and skills. Everyone in the workforce needs a basic knowledge of how the energy management system operates if it's to perform well and consistently. To ensure competence and skills, you need to implement a proper training plan. And additionally, everyone needs training in the procedures they must follow if the energy management system is to deliver continual performance improvement. Then there's the issue of workforce awareness. Every member of the workforce should be aware of the energy impacts of their normal business activities, including the impacts on climate change, energy costs, the business benefits of energy efficiencies, the company's energy commitments and the preciousness of energy. The ISO 50001 standard requires that workers engaged with significant energy use are competent with appropriate education, training, skills and experience. To meet that requirement, the organisation must identify training needs. That's typically an issue for the Operations Committee. Additionally, ISO 50001 requires that the workforce is aware of the energy policy and energy management procedures, and that their roles and responsibilities in energy management are clear to them, that the benefits of improved energy performance are known, and how their daily business activities help create an energy efficient environment is also known, as well as what the consequences are if procedures are not followed. In this slide, we examine how to identify training needs. The first step is to identify the people who influence significant energy uses. That's not limited to significant energy use operators. You need to consider appropriate training for management as well. Furthermore, everyone in the workforce should receive training in general energy uses, such as controlling work area lighting or local heating or air conditioning. Staff need to know the implications of opening a window on the ventilation system, for example, or cleaning staff may need training on which equipment they can safely switch off if it's left running at the end of the working day. Here's a simple table of staff training needs by role. Technical training is focused on those operating significant energy uses and how operations can affect energy consumption. The systems training would cover operational aspects, the role of staff within it, and how to identify typical improvement actions. The awareness training should motivate all staff to save energy and to avoid waste. It will also encourage improvement suggestions and procedures to pass those suggestions to the Operations Committee for action. Here are the objectives from energy management training: a common understanding and knowledge, a focus on objectives, targets and continual improvement, proper skills and competence, and ISO 50001 related organisational expertise. Those training sessions need to focus on continual improvement as well as skills development or management practices. Here are some sample training programs that can be done internally: workshops in business development using energy management systems for top management, practical guides to energy management in ISO 50001, energy management systems leader training for Operations Committee members, energy use awareness for the entire workforce, an introduction to energy monitoring and analysis for significant energy use operators, and upskilling SEU operators on the energy management system. Here are typical programs provided by external traders: Train the Trainer, a seminar on management's role in the energy management system, certified energy management training, and lead auditor training. All energy management training should be documented for the action plan. It's recommended that you establish an energy management system training plan. That ensures the training is comprehensive and effective. Training records should be focused on the effective operation of the energy management system and aid awareness of specific training needs.